Let's see if this works. It is time for Leonardo's big day. Much anticipation, 2 years in the making. So, Turtle is no more. He was here 7 in the morning and at 10 a.m. was not here. I think a person snatched it up either to eat it for lunch, unless it turned into a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, which might be my most believable story right now. But Michelangelo is gone and I am having a sad day. 1 year later, and I have to catch a new turtle. Today is a new day, as Chicken Little would say. Today is a new day. All right, so I located the turtle in about 15 feet of water, so directly under this pontoon boat. No! I can't believe it. I was thinking both hands on it. How did I miss that? Woo! What a legend. Whoa! There are these like GoPro base plates with the 3M stickers on it, and so I had removed some of the algae from the shell, and I pushed that on, and the adhesive was strong enough that it's holding on to the back of the shell. So I think this is actually going to work. Right now I have the turtle up on my deck. There's a bin down there, which is, it's a decoy. So because my turtle got stolen last year, sort of PTSD is like setting in for me, where I'm like, I really do not want this turtle to get taken this year. So I put a barrel down there so that if anybody comes to my yard who has heard about this turtle, they'll go look, and then they're like, oh, okay, turtle's not here. So Leonardo Decapitate is its official name, after Leonardo kind of DiCaprio, but you know, just a little bit of a play on word. Okay, so we're just gonna clip this on here, just like that. Hey, buddy. All right. Sorry, that's the child-proof fencing. All right, buddy. That's not gonna work. So far, that is working like a charm. And I'm nervous. You gotta take the risk and take the plunge at some point. The camera is clipped on. Let's see if this works. Actually, this is actually where it caught it, so it's going straight back. I think it's taken off deeper. What a day! Oh man,
it's out there.
Getting that camera's still on it. Every single lake I've seen people do this with snapping turtles, they've all been like really muddy. So this is one of the cleaner lakes in Minnesota, just in terms of the quality of it. So that's an advantage for doing something like this here, is that people are actually going to be able to see something. If I get 2 minutes of footage, it's better than what anybody else has. What a day, you know? Did our thing, gave it a shot, put the adhesive on, got a couple minutes. Leonardo's free, man. He's having the time of his life, but still probably the best snapping turtle footage, hopefully, of anywhere. This was fun. And 2-year process, and also a story of perseverance and finishing what you start, even if people steal your stuff. I've had the time of my life working on this project. So,
and we did see.
Thanks for checking out this video. All right, peace.